How to fix Instagram's problem I can't like videos or posts. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix likes problems on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. I had this problem too, so all you need to do is first thing, like if you are liking a lot of videos in like a short time, this is gonna bend your Instagram. And also there is another thing, if you are following a lot of people in a short time, this is also gonna bend your Instagram. They're gonna block your Instagram. Like, what you need to do now is go to your setting and clear cache on your Instagram. The second thing is go to your Instagram. For example, this is my Instagram. Now what you need to do is stop posting or doing anything on your Instagram. Just watching posts like 2 days, 3 days, and if this doesn't help, all you need to do is click on those three lines and click on setting. Now click on help and click on report a problem. Now click on report a problem and send them a screenshot of your message, that message that you receive when you trying to post, or send them a message that you can't write a feedback that you can't even like posts or videos or like post anything. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and help us with like.